Welcome to Legit Ideas, the number one go-to YouTube channel for finance and tech. Please subscribe, like, and turn on the notification bell. Thank you. You can see on your screen very well, I just earned another 6,648,000 Pixeltap coins from today's daily combo. Howdy. And as you can see, this person I just shared the combo with just won 1,548,000 Pixeltap coins. Now you know how much that is, and I really can't wait to share today's combo with you so that you can also earn like this or even more than this for yourself. So let's get started quickly in this very short video how you can get today's combo and earn up to 6 million Pixeltap coins. So the first thing you will do is to launch your Telegram app and come to the Pixeltap bot like this. Then when you come to the bot like this, you launch bot. So to launch the bot, you click on launch bot and you launch the bot. So immediately you launch the bot, you click on reward. Here you click on reward. You click on reward. So having clicked on reward, so after clicking on reward, you click on, you see daily combo here. Now you click on play. You click on play to play the combo. So you click on play. So once you click on play, you will appear on the daily combo page like this. This is how it is now. So you'll appear on the daily combo page. So here is today's combo for Pixeltap by Pixelverse. So for the first column, what you have to do is you drag this one, you drag it to the first column like this. Now for the second column, you drag this one. Take note please, to the second box. Then for the third one, you drag this one, this green one. And for the final box, you drag this one. Please watch again if you do not get any point. Watch again to understand them. Now having dragged all of them, you click on check. Congratulations, you see I just won the combo for this other friend too, and he was able to win 300, and you can see it, completion 100%. So this is how you can earn. You can now click on claim to claim the reward. So this is how you can earn your daily combo on Pixeltap. So congratulations, you just won today's combo. We hope to see you in our video tomorrow for tomorrow's combo here on Legit Ideas TV. Please come back every day for daily combo to boost your earnings on Pixeltap. We hope this video is really helpful for you. We hope to see you in all our videos. Please give us one favor, like this video and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Please subscribe to this channel. You just cracked today's combo on Pixeltap. We hope to see you again tomorrow for tomorrow's combo. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you for watching. Stay blessed, and don't forget to come back every day for daily combo, and also check through our pages for daily updates. If there's any new thing about Pixeltap or any other Telegram bot you are mining, always come to Legit Ideas TV YouTube page to always check latest updates. If there's anything you think you want us to add in this video every day, you can drop it in the comment section. I'll be adding it in daily videos on Pixeltap. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching. We really appreciate it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you learned something new from this video today. Please like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Please. Thank you.